Welcome student in Krishna Mahavidyalaya Retre Budruk video series lecture of 12th Science Physics Department. I am Deshmukh DK. Today we have studied a electrostatic part 16. In this electrostatic part 16, we have studied a polar dielectrics, then non-polar dielectrics. These are the two types of dielectric materials, and then we have studied a polar dielectrics is placed in an external electric field and non-polar dielectrics placed in an external electric field. These points can be completely detailed study in this lecture. First, what is mean by polar dielectrics and their properties and their examples. First of all, we have studied a definition of polar dielectric. Definition of polar dielectrics is in this way: a molecule in which the center of mass of positively charges, that is protons, do not coincide with the center of mass of negatively charges, that is electrons, because of the asymmetric shape of the molecules, is called as polar molecule. This is a definition of polar molecule, and diagram of polar molecule is shown in the figure below 8.18a. Then some properties of polar molecules is in this way. First property of polar molecules is they have permanent electric dipole moment of order of 10 raised to minus 13 coulomb into meter. This is the first property of polar molecule. Then second property is in this way: they acts as a tiny electric dipole. So the charges are separated by a small distance. These are the two properties of polar molecules. Then third property is nothing but the examples of polar molecules is in this way: HCl molecule, then water molecule, that is H2O molecule, then alcohol molecule, that is ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, etc. are the alcohol molecules. Then NH3 ammonia molecule, etc. are the examples of polar molecules. And water molecules has a bend shape with its 2O, that is oxygen, single bond, hydrogen, which are inclined at an angle of about 105 degree. So it has a very high dipole moment, that is electric dipole moment is very high in water molecule of order 6.1 into 10 raised to minus 30 coulomb into meter. In figure 8.18b and c shows the structure of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid or hydrochloric molecule, that is HCl molecule, and water molecule, that is H2O molecule respectively, which is shown in figure below. These all explanations are of polar molecule. Then second type of dielectric material is nothing but non-polar dielectrics or non-polar molecules. In this type, first of all, we have studied a definition of non-polar dielectrics or non-polar molecules. In this way, definition is as like a molecules in which the center of mass of positive charges coincides with the center of mass of negatively charges, that is electrons, is called a non-polar molecule. as shown in figure 8.19a. In 8.19a, diagram of non-polar molecule. In this definition, we have explained a molecule in which the center of mass of the positive charges, that is protons, exactly coincide with the center of mass of negatively charged electrons. Then this molecule is called as non-polar molecule. Then this is the definition of non-polar molecule. Then we have studied properties of non-polar molecule. First property is in this way: these molecules have symmetrical shape and have zero electric dipole moment in the normal state. This is a zero electrical dipole moment in normal shape. Then second property is in this way: examples of non-polar molecules, these have symmetric shape and zero these have symmetrical shape and have zero electric dipole moment. Because symmetric shape, non-polar molecule possess a symmetric shape. In this way, their electric dipole moment is zero. This is the first property or explanation of first property. And then second property is nothing but examples of non-polar molecules or non-polar dielectrics. Examples of non-polar dielectrics or non-polar molecules is as like hydrogen molecule, nitrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, then carbon dioxide molecule, then benzene molecule, then methane, etc. are of the examples of non-polar molecules. And in these examples or in these molecules, we known as a, or we can called as a non-polar dielectrics. Then structure of hydrogen molecule and carbon dioxide molecule is as shown in figure 8.19b, which is shown below. In this diagram, two hydrogen atoms are bonding with each other, and then it is a form hydrogen molecule. And then in carbon dioxide molecule, carbon is placed a central atom, and two oxygens are two adjacent sides of the carbon. Then in this way, carbon dioxide molecules are formed. These all explanations are completed here, non-polar molecule. Then we have studied a next point: polarization of non-polar dielectrics in an external electric field. Whenever external electric field is applied on non-polar molecule, then polarization can be happen in following ways. In the presence of external electric field E0. E0 is the external electric field which is applied on a non-polar molecule. The centers of the positive charge in each molecule of a non-polar dielectrics is pulled in the direction of E0, while the centers of the negative charges are displaced in the opposite displaced in the opposite direction. Therefore, the two centers are separated and the molecule gets distorted. Whenever external electric field is applied on a non-polar molecule, then two centers of oppositely charges are separated from each other, and So in this way molecules get distorted. The displacement of the charges stops when the force exerted on them. Whenever charges displacement have been stopped when external force is applied on the applied by the external electric field is balanced. So this external electrostatic force is applied on the molecule is balanced by the restoring force. This external electrostatic force is balanced by the restoring force between the charges, between the two opposite charges in the molecule. So in this way the molecules should stops the distortion, or molecules get a distortion, and displacement of molecules can be stopped, or displacement of charges can be stopped, because external electrostatic force is balanced by restoring force between the opposite charges in the molecule. So in this way displacement of charges becomes stopped. In this case, each molecule become a tiny electric dipole having a dipole moment. The induced dipole moment of different molecules add up, giving a net dipole moment to the dielectric in the presence of external electric field. Whenever external electric field presence, at that time at that time the induced dipole moment of different molecules add up, giving a net dipole moment. So this is shown in below figure. 8.20 is a figure shows the non-polar dielectric in absence of external electric field. Whenever external electric field is absent, at that time all molecules of opposite charges, that is positive charges, negative charges, move randomly in all possible directions, which is shown in figure 8.20a. But whenever external electric field is applied, which is a non-zero, at that time all molecules, or all non-polar molecules, possess a dumbbell shape in its structure, and there must be a formation of polarization, that is formation of positive charge and negative charge in dumbbell shape, which is nearest to each other, that is positive charge and negative charge is in dumbbell shape, which is nearest to each other, but at that time they are literally small separately. So this is shown in figure 8.20b, shows it in presence of external electric field. These all molecules present in an external field arrange a particular manner. In this diagram all molecules negative charges are to the left side and positive charges are of a right side in each molecule. So in this way there must be a isolation in the molecule of positive charge as well as negative charge, which is shown in figure 8.20b. So in this way there is a regular arrangement of a non-polar molecule in figure B. This is the explanation of non-polar molecules is in external electric field. Then we have studied a next point, that is polarization of polar dielectrics in an external electric field. In external electric field is applied on polar molecule or polar dielectrics, then their explanation is in this way. The molecule of polar dielectric have tiny permanent dipole moment. The molecule of a polar dielectric have possess a tiny permanent electric dipole moment. Due to thermal alligation in the material, in the absence of any external electric field, these dipole moments are randomly oriented as shown in figure 8.21. Whenever no any external electric field or absence of external electric field, these dipoles or these electric dipoles movements are randomly oriented as possible directions, which is shown in figure 8.21. So this is shown in figure 8.21a. In figure A, there is explanation in this way. Hence, the total dipole moment is a zero because whenever external electric field is zero or absent, at that time all molecule or all electric dipole moment possess all possible directions in orientation, or it is randomly oriented in all possible directions. Whenever an external electric field is applied, the dipole moment of different molecules tends to align with the field or with the electric field. As a result, the dielectric develops a net electric dipole moment in the direction of external electric field. So, the direction of external electric field, at that direction, the result dielectric develop a net dipole moment. The net dipole moment is in the direction of external electric field. So this is shown in figure 8.21b. Hence, the dielectric is polarized. So in this way, dielectric material becomes a polarized, which is shown in figure 8.21b. The extent of polarization depends on the relative value of the two opposite energies. This extent of the polarization depends. This polarization depends on the relative value of two opposite energies. Two opposite energies है energies affected on a polarization. This is shown in figure 8.21b. Then the applied external electric field, which tends to align the electric dipole with the field. This is first point. And then second, the thermal energies tending to randomize the alignment of the electric dipole. These two energies can be affected on polarization, or polarization depends on these two energies. The polarization in presence of a strong external electric field is shown in figure 8.21b. Thus, both polar and non-polar dielectrics develop a net electric dipole moment in the presence of an electric field. Thus, both polar and non-polar dielectric develop a net electric dipole moment in the presence of external electric field. Whenever external electric field is applied, at that time in polar molecule as well as in non-polar molecule, net or resultant electric dipole moment is developed due to presence of external electric field. Thus, both polar and non-polar dielectric develop net electric dipole moment in the presence of an external electric field. The electric dipole moment per unit volume is called as polarization. In electrostatic chapter, definition of polarization is nothing but the electric dipole moment per unit volume is called as polarization, and it is denoted by letter P bar. Capital P bar is the notation for polarization in electrostatic chapter or in electrostatic part 16. For linear isotropic dielectrics, we can write the equation of following ways: P bar equal to psi E into capital E bar, where psi E, this notation psi E is a constant called as electric susceptibility of a dielectric medium. This psi E means a electric susceptibility of the dielectric medium, and it describes the electrical behavior of a dielectric. So this electric susceptibility can be describes the behavior of electrical susceptibility or dielectric medium. Electric susceptibility behavior dielectric. It has different values for different dielectrics. Whenever different values are used or different dielectrics are used, at that time their values are different. Whenever we can use a different dielectric material or different dielectric molecule, at that time value of electric susceptibility are different. For vacuum medium, electric susceptibility psi equal to 0. Whenever vacuum medium is present, at that time their electric susceptibility is, that is value of psi E becomes a 0 or value of psi E equal to 0 for vacuum medium. So in this way we have studied a polar dielectrics, then non-polar dielectrics. These are the two types of dielectric materials in which we can study polar molecule and non-polar molecule, and then polarization due to non-polar molecule placed in an external electric field. These points becomes completed here, and also polarization due to polar molecules present in an external electric field. All these 4 points can be completed today's lecture. Okay, thank you student. Stop here.